My name is Jason from Uzbekistan. I have a agricultural diploma and agricultural background. So I'm gonna make a quick introduction about myself. So once I finished my studies, I had an internship in Denmark. Besides, we have a small farm, so we used to grow up here, doing different tasks here. We just recently finished loading straws. We're in the middle of wheat season, so we are just finished loading straw. And besides, we have corn, some cotton, so whole season we have different types of products. So this is a quick introduction about me. Thank you for your attention.
Alegría, Macarena, ven Macarena.